Hey, good morning, good afternoon, guys. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully, everybody's doing great and excellent. So, today I want to do another insightful content, and we're going to talk about how to utilize some gifts that you have that you may not even be aware of. You may be aware of it sometimes on a conscious level, but unconsciously, you have these gifts. And, I want to begin by saying that, we all have gifts. God, the universe, created gifts for all of us. And my gift is to teach, to inspire, and do a service to humanity. That's my gift. I love to teach, inspire, and motivate, and help others understand how reality works and how to create it. And God, the universe, blessed me with this ability. So this is why I am giving back and helping others. All right. A couple quick notes before we begin. So the website, a new website format is up. You guys can go check it out. It's created to be simplistic, so to help you guys to learn, to teach, so you can manifest. It's filled with a whole bunch of good stuff. There's broken up in sections with articles. There's manifesting testimonials, and also the online coaching platform is up there as well. You can access that platform through the website. And with the online coaching platform, what I've decided to do, I decided now to input, all my frequencies that I make. Some subliminal limited beliefs frequencies will be inputted into that format to help you guys, so that you can use the same things I use. A lot of the techniques and tricks and methods that I use will be put forth in that platform. So go ahead, check it out. You can access it through the website. The new website will be posted in the link below. It will be Mark A. Houghton, quantumvibrationalnumbers.com. Also, as far as vibrational numbers now are concerned, made it very simple. All vibrational numbers requests will be done through the website. You can just go to the website, log in, request your vibrational numbers in the comments. I'll go in there and I'll fill them out. All you have to do is check back on a daily basis. You comment, you see your numbers, you have them. You don't have to worry about emails being misplaced or lost or miscommunication. You have it. If you wish to donate, you can donate. The email link is there. But that's what we're going to start to do. It makes things a lot easier, more efficient. All right. So that's how we'll do the vibrational numbers. All right. So let's get into today's lesson, or some teachings to help you guys. So today we're going to talk about, as you see the title, we're going to talk about what is quantum loop reality. So we're going to use quantum loop reality so that you can manifest things easily and effortlessly. Okay. So what is quantum loop reality, or what is quantum reality? Okay. So quantum reality, and here's the big tip. Quantum reality is the real, what we call real perceived reality. All right. So we have two types of reality that we experience that's perceived through our brains. Okay, here they go. So we have what is called classical mechanics. That's where we see the big stuff, your house, your car. Then we have what we call quantum mechanics, which is where we see the small stuff, the invisible particles that bind and create all matter. Okay. So one of these reality is the reality that you want to experience or use. And here's your gifts. Now I said that you guys have gifts and abilities as well. Here they are. You have these gifts on a subconscious level that can access and create. We're going to talk about it. So here's the key now. We want to work with what we call cause and effect. Here's how it works. So right now when you look outside, and I'm looking outside, and I see all these things, this is my car, the out appearance, that is known as the classical mechanics. That is known as the effect. Okay, the cause originates from the quantum reality. Okay, remember, you want to always be the cause, because the cause will create the effect, whether on a positive or a negative loop scale. So think about this. If you're out in your reality, you're looking at the outside situations, and you're trying to change things from an outward appearance. If you're trying to manifest things outwardly in circumstances, in a physical reality, my friend, you are doing it backwards, because that is the effect. In other words, you're too late. The cause was already created, either you consciously or subconsciously aware of it. Okay, so now how do we access that quantum reality? Okay, here's the keys you're going to access. You can only access the quantum reality with three gifts, or three things that we all have. Here's number one, the subconscious mind. Okay. Number two, your thoughts. Number three, your feelings and emotions. Okay. Feelings and emotions carry vibrational electromagnetic frequencies. Okay. These frequencies are what emits from that quantum reality and create the classical reality or the real reality. So in other words, guys, you have to create from inside, and then it will match the outside stuff you see. You see, the issue comes up because how our brains were programmed, or you were programmed. So you were programmed to see things or fix things from an outward reality. Okay, and that's why your ego is confronted or conformed to that outside thing. You will try to fix a problem with the same mind that created the problem. Okay, so now quantum reality. So what makes quantum reality real, Mark? What is it? What's the proof? Well, the proof is bind in what we use instruments to measure. We have quantum computers, we have electron microscopes, and we can see that from the small invisible energy particles, they create something that our brain perceives to be physically real. So how can you use this to your advantage? So here's how you use this to your advantage. Number one, you have to keep a constant awareness of what you're vibrating. What am I thinking? How am I feeling? Because here's the thing, consciously or unconsciously, every single millisecond, you are vibrating a frequency of something that you're either consciously aware of or subconsciously unaware of, okay? So you have to monitor your feelings and your thoughts. So once you have an idea of how you feel, which you should now be feeling good, now you're accessing that quantum reality to create. What's the other tip? Use your thoughts. If you only start to visualize and think and see what you want or what you desire to achieve, you're actually now accessing quantum reality. You're creating it. Okay, now your subconscious mind comes in because it only exists in that reality. Here's why your subconscious mind only exists in that reality, because your conscious mind, or what we'll call classical reality, we use time, we use linear formats in time because our brain needs that logical structure to continue. But your subconscious mind has no understanding of time. Guess what? So does quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics, time is not a factor. Time is not relative. I mean, time is not linear. Particles can be in two places at the same time. So you want to be where you create. That's where you have to access. So okay. So now you start to visualize. You start to see what you desire, and then now you create what? The cause. Okay. So you see, for example, if you want to manifest a car, a home, or a new career, you must start to create that now by how you feel and how you think and how you visualize. So you'll see it, you'll start to feel good. That's all you gotta do, you feel good. Now your subconscious mind, okay, resides in that quantum reality. Now quantum mechanics, now they resonate with that. They'll start to create that circumstance, to bring the people, the places, the ideas for you to attract it. And then what happens now, it starts to form, and now that's the cause, and the effect is the outside reality. The effect is you'll get the car, you'll get the job, you'll meet the person, you'll get the money. Manifestation. You've just done it. Okay? So always remember, you want to be the cause to the effect. Okay? And that's what you do. So how do you switch it? Very simple. Have an awareness now that what you see outside, if you're trying to change the outside right now, you're already late. The cause has already been created from quantum reality, from your subconscious and quantum particles. Okay? So let me review again. The 3 big tips to access this reality is your subconscious mind. How do you access your subconscious mind? Through visualizations, through meditation, through subliminal brainwave frequencies. What else? Your thoughts and feelings. They are always vibrating and looking for frequencies. So be aware, control how you feel. Always attempt to feel good in the moment. Once you feel good, you are now creating the cause. And guess what? Boom. It becomes your reality. Okay? Very, very important. They don't teach you guys that. Okay? So we were taught to fix from the outside, but now you got to go within, creates the outside. Guys, all this is proven. We have mathematical equation, formulas to prove this. So now you have some big tips on how to create easily and effortlessly. Remember, be the cause, because the cause will create the effect. Don't try to create from the effect. You're going backwards. All right? So those are some big tips I want to leave you with. And thank you, and I'll continue to put in more content. All right, guys. Thank you.